Hey there, my health family. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving into something super important, nerve health. Whether it's from an injury, a medical condition, or just getting older, nerve damage can be a real pain, literally. But the good news is, there are vitamins out there that can actually help repair and support our nerves. Today, we're going to talk about 7 incredible vitamins that can make a big difference. So, stick around till the end because you won't want to miss this. Vitamin B12. Alright, kicking things off with vitamin B12. This vitamin is like a superhero for your nerves. It's essential for keeping your nerve cells healthy and for making myelin, the protective sheath around your nerves. Think of myelin like the insulation on electrical wires. Without it, nerves can't send signals properly. A lack of B12 can lead to nerve damage, so it's super important to make sure you're getting enough. You can find B12 in foods like fish, meat, eggs, and dairy. If you're vegetarian or vegan, you might need to take a supplement to keep your levels up. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Next up, we've got vitamin B1, or thiamine. This vitamin is crucial for nerve function and energy production. It helps your body turn food into energy, which is essential for all the cells in your body, including your nerves. Not getting enough thiamine can lead to nerve pain and damage, a condition known as beriberi. You can load up on thiamine by eating whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. So, make sure you're adding those to your diet. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is another powerhouse for nerve health. It's involved in making neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that nerves use to communicate with each other. Plus, it helps produce myelin, just like B12. Low levels of B6 can lead to nerve problems, so it's important to keep them up. You can get vitamin B6 from foods like chickpeas, bananas, potatoes, and fish. So, there's a good reason to enjoy that bowl of chili or a banana smoothie. Vitamin D. Let's not forget vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin. This vitamin does a lot more than just keep your bones healthy. It's got anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce nerve pain and support nerve repair. Studies have shown that low levels of vitamin D are linked to increased nerve pain, so it's a good idea to make sure you're getting enough. You can get vitamin D from spending a little time in the sun, eating fortified foods, or taking a supplement. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another key player when it comes to nerve health. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your nerves from oxidative stress, which can lead to damage. On top of that, it supports overall nerve function. You can find vitamin E in nuts, seeds, spinach, and broccoli. So, next time you're looking for a snack, grab a handful of almonds. Alpha-Lipoic acid, ALA. Okay, so this one's technically not a vitamin, but alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, is such a powerful antioxidant that I had to include it. ALA has been shown to help with nerve regeneration and can reduce symptoms of nerve damage like tingling and pain. You can get ALA from foods like spinach, broccoli, and potatoes. So, adding these to your diet could really help support your nerve health. Vitamin B9, folate. And last but definitely not least, we've got vitamin B9, also known as folate. Folate is essential for cell growth and regeneration, which is why it's so important for nerve repair. It works hand in hand with vitamin B12 to keep your nerves healthy. You can find folate in leafy green veggies, citrus fruits, beans, and lentils. So, a big salad or a hearty lentil soup is a great way to boost your folate levels. And there you have it, 7 vitamins that can help repair nerve damage and support your nervous system. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Make sure to subscribe to my health for more tips on living a healthier life. And remember, always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements or making big changes to your diet. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.